Swimming the boat back.
Hey, everybody, listen up! Daddy! We just swam! Look at my rope! Look at my rope! All the way across this thing, we're almost done! See, I have a weight on mine, so that's why mine's slacking. And we have it around our waist, so as high as we can. Wearing wetsuits and slippers. See? Slippers. And we're swimming, and our ankles hurt like cats. And our ankles are gonna hurt, and our bodies are gonna ache, but it's gonna be fun.
Shadow's with us. And we're reading books. And we're just lounging around on a tube. And that's Emmanuel. And that's what we're doing. And here's the day. What a beautiful day. We spent the night at Bob and Linda's. There's Sandy Island over there. And over there is Bob and Linda's, right up front.
Howdy.
And it's just a pretty day. There you go. And here I am. Hi everybody.
Hey, Padre.
Have a nice day.
Dad, can you fix my Velcro?
I can fix your Velcro.
Thank you.
Yes, dear.
Okay, not working.